Most people will work for 40 years and retire with almost nothing. Not because they were lazy, not because they were stupid, but because nobody told them the truth about money, and they believed things that simply aren't true. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm not here to sell you a course or a dream. I'm here to tell you what most people learn too late, if they learn it at all. This is the brutal truth. And today, we're talking about money. Let's start with the first lie you were told as a child. Work hard and you'll be rich. Here's what nobody adds to that sentence. Hard work is necessary, but it's not enough. Your cleaner works hard. The person delivering groceries at midnight works hard. The hardest working people are often the least paid. What actually builds wealth is not hours, it's leverage. Working on the right things, building systems, skills, or assets that pay you even when you stop. If you're trading time for money every single day with no end in sight, you're not building wealth. You're just surviving. That's not criticism. That's just math. The second myth: just save your money and you'll be fine. Saving is important, but savings alone won't save you. Inflation is quiet. It doesn't send you a warning. But every year, the money sitting in your account buys less than it did the year before. In 10 years, your savings could lose 20 to 30% of their real value while sitting still. The people who build real wealth don't just save. They invest. They put their money to work. Stocks, real estate, businesses, assets that grow faster than inflation. Saving money gives you security. Investing money gives you freedom. Most people only do one. Which one are you doing right now? The third myth, and maybe the most dangerous one, is this: I'll start building wealth when I earn more money. I want you to understand something clearly. People who say this at 25 are still saying it at 40. The income goes up. The lifestyle goes up with it. And nothing changes. This is called lifestyle inflation. You earn more, you spend more. The gap stays the same. A person earning $30,000 a year who saves and invests 10% will almost always end up wealthier than someone earning $100,000 who spends everything. The habit is the wealth. The income just speeds it up. Starting small today beats starting big someday. Someday doesn't exist on a calendar. So, what's the actual truth about money? Here it is, plain and simple. Money is a tool. And like any tool, it only works if you understand how to use it. School teaches you history, literature, trigonometry. It does not teach you compound interest. It does not teach you taxes. It does not teach you how debt actually works, or how it destroys people, slowly, quietly, over decades. The people who are winning financially aren't smarter than you. They just learned the rules of the game earlier, or from the right people. The rules are simple. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference consistently. Don't panic. Don't try to get rich fast. And protect your income by building more than one source of it. That's it. No secrets, no tricks, no shortcuts. The hard part isn't knowing this. The hard part is doing it, when everything around you is screaming to spend, impress, and consume. I'm not going to leave you with just ideas. Here are 3 things you can do this week, not someday, this week. 1. Write down exactly what you earn and what you spend. Not roughly, exactly. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. That awareness alone changes behavior. 2. Open an investment account if you don't have one. You don't need a lot of money to start. Index funds, for most people, are the simplest and most proven starting point. Do your research. Start small. Start now. 3. Pick one skill that could increase your income in the next 12 months and give it 1 hour a week. Just one. Skills compound, just like money does. None of this is complicated. It's just uncomfortable. And that's exactly why most people won't do it. Here's the brutal truth about money. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your employer, not a lottery ticket. The responsibility and the opportunity is yours. The good news? The people who accept that, who stop waiting and start acting, tend to be the ones who actually make it. If this hit different for you, subscribe. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And I'll see you in the next one.